After relying on some latest models for rapid growth, Tesla says it's finally ready for the announcement of the Tesla Semi that'll shock the entire shipping industry. So what does the automobile have in it for the customers? What is Elon Musk up to with this new automobile? You might have various questions, so without further ado, let's dive into this video to learn about the Tesla Semi. And if you love to acknowledge more about Tesla vehicles, then subscribe to our channel as we'll keep you updated. Here we begin. The Tesla Semi is the new electric battery-powered Class 8 semi-truck by electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla. This is a two-concept vehicle unveiled in 2017, and the production was planned to start in 2019 with a target of delivering 100,000 trucks per year by 2022. However, the production of the semi-truck was somehow delayed till 2023, but Elon Musk stated that trucks shall be available by the end of 2022. The organization initially announced that the truck would offer a mileage range of 500 miles in a single charge, and with its batteries, will run for 400 miles after 80% charge in 30 minutes with a solar-powered Tesla Mega Charger charging station. Elon Musk also said it would come standard with Tesla Autopilot, allowing semi-autonomous driving on highways. So what about its planning and history? The Tesla Semi was mentioned in 2016, and at that time, Tesla stated that they had a working prototype that utilized a bunch of Model 3 electric motors. As of 2017, the transport executive from automotive manufacturing, Jerome Guillen, was leading the program of the Tesla Semi-truck. However, the new leader for the Tesla Semi program was not announced publicly as of late 2019. In November 2017, Tesla projected that the expected price of its regular production versions for 300 to 500 mile range models would be around $150,000 to $180,000 US. The organization also said they would offer the Series Semi at $200,000 USD. In December 2017, Tesla held a Roadster and Semi unveiling event where Musk stated that the production would begin in 2019. Later in 2018, Tesla said that prototypes of the Tesla Semi were tested with real cargo as well as hauling battery packs from Nevada to California. Tesla also released a toy version of the Semi in 2020. The second version was released with a silver trailer truck with pipes and forklift. In 2021, Musk also announced that semi-production would be delayed by the end of 2021, as the company hoped to raise high-volume production of its tabless 4680 battery cells to meet the demand for the Tesla Semi and other EVs. During the shareholder meeting in 2021, Musk announced that the Semi's production won't start in 2021 and would slip in 2023. Tesla also made plans in 2022 for low-rate initial production of Semi in a warehouse outside Giga, Nevada. In 2022, Tesla announced that a 500-mile range model would start shipping in 2022. Musk also said that the organization guarantees the truck will not break down in 1,000,000 miles. The slide in the background said that the drivetrain would last 1,000,000 miles. The reason for these wonders was its 4 independent electric motors. Design of Tesla Semi. There's an incredible cab construction for Tesla Semi and the cleanest design the organization has seen on a truck. But unfortunately, it also appeared that it belonged to the future, and there was a massive wraparound glass area up front sloping in the front. The glass area is huge, and the panels extend to the doors. Tesla also dropped door mirrors on the mode of aerodynamic benefits, and cameras are positioned at the extreme rear interior screens. Diesel trucks also had enormous grills to maximize airflow to the higher cubic capacity engines. The model has its nose blanked off, while the chin houses a small air intake to cool down the battery, sitting between the rear and front axles. It has 1 axle in the front and 2 axles at the rear, making the tractor layout 6 of 4. The rear houses the tow hitch and trailer bed. Interiors and features. The interior of this model is incredible, and the driver's seat is centrally positioned for better visibility out of the windshield. Behind the seat are 2 foldable seats and 2 massive touchscreens on the extreme ends of the dashboard. The screens feature the brilliant UI and usual suite of connectivity of Tesla, with some specific features showcasing trailer data and more. With the mobile application of Tesla, there will be a full suite of remote-controlled features. Owners can access location tracking, remote diagnostics, as well as communication for dispatch. There's also the predictive maintenance feature, where the system will analyze the health of the truck and alert the driver when it's time for service. Specifications of Tesla Semi. Tesla initially planned to launch the model with 4 motors on rear axles. Still in 2022, a revision indicated that Tesla would offer the tri-motor powertrain at its launch and announce the quad-motor powertrain later. The tri-motor of the model is loaded at 82,000 pounds gross combination weight, taking 20 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour from 0 miles per hour. It can also attain a highway speed with a 5% gradient, and the semi-quad motor with 80,000 pounds takes around 20 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Without the payload, the quad motor will accelerate like the mid-range sports car for a time of around 5 seconds. The Semi will have similar motors as Model 3, producing around 258 horsepower each of them. The range would be the primary concern for truck drivers, and there will be 2 battery versions for Tesla Semi in both its tri- and quad motor variants. One provides 300 miles range and 500 miles range. These 3 motors provide instant torque as well as unmatched power at any speed so that drivers can keep pace with traffic. It offers a badass performance as it arrives with standard and active safety features, pairing with the advanced motor as well as brake controls, delivering stability and traction in all conditions. A central seating position provides the driver better visibility, while the all-electric architecture reduces rollover risk as well as cabin intrusion during any accident. Semi will also change vehicle emissions. With less than 2 kilowatt-hour miles of energy consumption, it can travel 500 miles on a single charge. In addition, charging will be 2.5 times cheaper than refueling with diesel. The Semi will have an 800-volt electrical system. Tesla switched from 400-volt to 800-volt architecture for smaller or mid-sized models like Model Y, Model 3, and Robotaxi of Tesla. However, the higher system voltage makes sense for larger applications like Semi or Cybertruck. Also, there's a requirement for higher charging power from the battery to power the electronics or more torque. Uses 4680 cells. The Semi uses 4680 cells in one version, and the new cell measures 80mm in length and 46mm in diameter. Developing 4680 cells has taken immense stamina, and designing the new shape took considerable nerve. The organization will start mass production of batteries with 4680 cells. Safety. It is yet another factor that makes it unique and incredible. In addition, it is slated to feature the enhanced autopilot suite of features. The range of safety features includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and automatic lane keeping assistance. Also, there's an enhanced traction system to prevent jackknifing, which is the unusual folding of articulated vehicles because of uncontrolled inertia. Tesla engineers also incorporated an advanced traction control system where jackknifing is avoided. Also, the drivetrain is guaranteed to last 1 million miles. Brake energy regeneration covers kinetic energy and stores it in the electric form in the battery to slow the vehicle naturally. Thermonuclear explosion proof glass. That is not the case. The Tesla Semi's large glass area is no ordinary piece of equipment. Instead, it's standard thermonuclear explosion proof glass, according to Tesla. According to the CEO, truck glasses are enormous and break once a year on average. If the glass breaks, drivers cannot use the truck due to obvious safety and visibility concerns, resulting in revenue loss and customer inconvenience. These problems would be eliminated by Tesla's thermonuclear explosion proof glass. Automatic tire inflation system. Tesla could include an automatic tire inflation system in the Semi. The USPTO has granted the organization a patent for this technology, which could automatically revise tire pressure and keep it at the optimal level. ATIS is not a new technology, but Tesla is working to improve it. For example, its ATIS version significantly reduces contamination in the airstream. In addition, the ATIS's life increases as the airstream becomes purer and requires less maintenance. Future concept cars are more than just any fantasy now. Well, thanks to Mr. Elon Musk. Musk has taken innovation to greater heights, and every impossible approach seems more real every day. What features of the Semi caught your eye? Share in the comment section below and subscribe for more.